In this lab, we're going to be determining the molar mass of citric acid experimentally. We're going to weigh out 0.25 grams of citric acid to begin with, and then we're going to add it to a flask, and we're going to dissolve that citric acid with 50 milliliters of water. The 50 milliliters of water doesn't really factor in. We are just using it to dissolve the citric acid. Then what we're going to do is we're going to swirl to dissolve it all, and then we're going to add 2 to 3 drops of indicator. I've filled the burette with 0.1 moles per liter sodium hydroxide all the way to the top, so our starting volume is 0.00 milliliters. We're going to titrate until all of the acid has been neutralized by all of the base, so that will bring us to our equivalence point. We'll be able to determine that point with the indicator and when it turns to a faint pink color. You're going to notice that we're going to start to slow down the titration slightly as we see the color pink persist. So there we go. And once we see that faint pink color persist for more than 30 seconds, we will stop and take our final reading on the burette. Record the final reading on the burette, and then you will use that reading minus the initial reading to determine the volume of base used.